Okay, if you're having streaks on your color copier or your black and white when you're using your document feeder, they can sometimes come out looking like this. And you'll see a streak right there, and it should look like that. Okay, now granted, most of the times the streaks are not this big. They're probably something about like that. Now, how you can test if it's the doc feed is lift up your document feeder and lay it on the glass, run another copy, and you'll see the copy come out nice and clean. Now, if you see it come out that way, what you'll want to do is you'll want to check this little glass right here, okay? Because when you're making copies using the doc feed, this right here, you can see the scanner move up underneath that little small glass, okay? And what happens is your original goes through the document feeder and it goes across this little glass and it spits it out, and the scanner moves up underneath the glass and remains still. When you lay it on the glass, the original remains still and the scanner moves. Okay, so what's that tell us? It tells us that when it's going through right here, if there's a little speck on this glass, it's going to take that little speck and it's going to stretch it all the way across your copy. So what you have to look for is something like that. Now, I used a magic marker, and so generally your speck is going to be like white out or something like that, but you can just take and clean that glass off with your fingernail. You can use a razor blade if you need be, because this is heat tempered. It's not going to scratch the glass. And sometimes what you'll have to do, if that speck is black, you'll take your phone flashlight and flash it back here towards you in order to see that speck. Also, what you can do is you can take your copy that came out with streaks on it and turn it right side up, and then that will point pretty much to where that little speck is. Okay, so once you get that speck clean, now you can put your originals back in the doc feed, and when your copy comes out, that streak will be gone. There you go.